What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you what happens when you drop a Galaxy S5 into scorching hot water. You probably can't see it, but it is super hot. I just boiled it on the stove for about 5 to 10 minutes. Here's the phone right here. As you can tell, it totally works. The screen's cracked, but that's about it. So here we go. Let's see how long it takes for the phone to mess up. As you can tell, it's holding up pretty well at 10 seconds. Let's just see what happens. Alright, so far so good. I'm impressed. This is my old Galaxy S5 active phone I had for about 2 years. I started having issues, so I now currently own a Galaxy S7 active, which I love. No complaints so far. Alright, this is crazy. I think we're now over a minute so far, and it appears to be working still. And they said water resistant. I guess they meant they can withstand high temperatures. But this is crazy. I saw one video of a guy doing a iPhone, I think it was a iPhone 6 or an iPhone 5, I'm not real sure, but it only lasted about, I think the max it lasted was 20 seconds. And this phone is still, oh, there it is. It's dying. After, I think about, 2 minutes, it finally shut off. This is crazy. Alright, I want to cut out real quick, take a short break, get the water dumped out, and get the phone cooled off with cold water, and I'll get back with you. Alright guys, we're back. The phone did cut out, but it appears to be turning back on, which is crazy. Let's see what it does. Alright, it's stuck on the load up screen right now. So, oh, the battery was killed. This was at 60% when I did this. Ours above 50, I know that for sure, but this phone is probably toast. I'm afraid to charge it now. So there you have it. The Galaxy S5 active lasted about 2 minutes in scorching hot water. That's all I have for today, folks. If you want more videos like this, or you want me to do a crazy hot sauce challenge, just comment below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching.